Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website or a trick by which you can get Claude Opus 4.8 for totally free and unlimited. So the website name is Verdent. If you directly go to Google, simply type this website Verdent AI, and the very first result which comes, this is actually an AI coding agent. If you directly go to their website, they do offer this 7-day free trial. Say similar to Cursor, where you can download this software inside your desktop. If you go to the pricing, you simply see it offers 7-day free trial. It also gives you 100 credits, which is more than enough to actually try out Claude Opus 4.8, Sonnet, GPT, Gemini, GLM. So all these models are there. So they also offer Pro plan as well. So you click the download button to download this software inside your machine. So it's also available for Mac. So you click on the download for Windows button. So as soon as you click the download button, the download will start. So as you can see, it's an exe file, 170 megabytes. So as soon as you the download finishes, you simply install this inside your machine. So they also offer this a VS Code extension as well. So if you directly type Verdant in the extensions tab, this extension will also come. You can directly integrate in VS Code as well. So this is the coding agent. You click the install button. So once it is installed, you open the exe file, you click the run button, and simply run the setup, and simply the follow the next instructions. So once it is get installed, you will be able to access the 7-day free trial and get access to Claude Opus 4.8. And similarly, once you integrate this in VS Code, the extension will come directly right here. So right here, you click the sign up button. So once you click this, you click on login with Google. So this is a very good trick by which you can get access to Claude Opus 4.8 free and unlimited. So as you can see, click the finish button and it will get installed. So now you can see, once it is activated your extension in VS Code, you will actually see this interface. So you have the chat prompt, and in the models you can see you get this Claude Opus 4.8, 4.7, Claude Sonnet. Select the model. So we selected Claude Opus 4.8, and you simply send the request, and you will actually see it will respond to you. So in this easy way, you can access Claude Opus 4.8. So you will see, you will get this notice. You will get 100 credits for 7 days. New users get a free trial whenever they sign up with a valid card. You click the start free trial. As soon as you do this, so right here, you can click on send to email instead. So right here, they will send a digit to your phone number or email address that you sign up. You simply just enter that activation code. So once you add this, it will verify you. And right here, you need to add a credit card. That's all that you need to do. Click on save. Now it will simply start your 7-day free trial. So this is the valid way. So once you do this, you will see your account you will actually get 100 credits, about $5 of free progress, and you are inside the free subscription. Your subscription will end in 7 days on June 13, 2026. So now once the credits are over, you can even click the top up button as well. So now if I try to send out a request, if I simply type hi, you will see that now the AI model will respond to you. Hi there, how can I help you in your project today? So now as you can see, we are using Opus 4.8, which is a premium model for totally free. And same you can do this for inside your desktop AI agent. Once you install this, you simply verify this. Just one requirement, you just need to add your credit card. It will not charge you at all. So it is just for verification purposes. So once you add the card, it will 100% verify you. After that, you will get this interface in the desktop software. You get this chat prompt right here. Right here, you simply tell what sort of application you want to generate. So from the model section right here, you specify which model you want to use. So from here, you can even add your own API key as well. So right here, we have all the models which are, you select the model. So by default, as you can see, Claude Opus 4.8 has been selected. So you can see that. So now if I try to build a image to PDF, so you simply send out the request right here. Now the AI will start developing your application. So it will simply write your code. So you can see that now it's developing your application, and it is using Claude Opus 4.8. And similarly, you can do the same thing in VS Code extension as well. We selected Opus. So what I will do, I will simply say make a new directory and build a React image to PDF static app. So now you can see that we simply tell this make a new directory and build a React image to PDF static app in browser. So first of all, it will make a new directory and then create all the necessary files for your application one by one. So you can see that it is now starting. So it's kind of a coding agent, you may say. Once you simply write the prompt here, all the things will be done by the AI agent. You just wait. So once it finishes, you will get the notification that your application has been successfully created. And same thing can done in the desktop software as well. The task has been started. It is in progress, as you can see that. So you can see that it's actually created this directory image to PDF, created these relevant files here app.jsx index.html. So you can see it doesn't take too much time because it's using the latest Claude Opus 4.8. It automatically generated your full stack image to PDF application. So this is a free way by which you can use Claude Opus 4.8. You get 100 free credits, 7-day free trial you get. Simply add your credit card. Just follow the instructions that I showed you in this video and you will be able to get the free trial. You can do this through the VS Code extension or you can download their desktop software. Both the options are there. But I prefer this VS Code extension more because you directly see the output as soon as it creates all the necessary files here. So now you can see you get this notification that your app has been successfully created. So it also mentions the output location where the file has been created. It also generates the description as well, what application it has created. Drag and drop, reorder, delete, one-click download. All these features are there. You click the file and on the right hand side you will see all the source code that has been generated. This is a single file, index.html, and almost 1,000 lines of code has been generated. So this is a professional looking application has been generated. If you do want to see the output, you click the browser button, and this is your terminal section. You can access the terminal right here. This is your editor where all the source code files will show. And same thing, as you can see, it's now running this application. This is the screenshot of the application created. It has its own browser as well. So it directly show you the output. So it created this React project. As you can see, all the files have been successfully generated. So you can see that you can even ask follow-up questions as well. Please run the app. So you can see that. So the application has been successfully created. So this is your application, image to PDF. Right here, you simply drag and drop certain files here. So you simply adjust page size, orientation, click on download PDF, and all your images have been successfully exported to PDF. So you can just see right here, you can refresh and you will see as soon as you create your applications, now only 68 credits are remaining. So as soon as you create applications, your credits will be consumed. So I think 100 credits are more than enough to create 3-4 quality applications using this for totally free. As you can see, we are on free plan. It gives you just 7-day free trial. And if you are interested in this, you can upgrade to a paid plan as well. So $19 per month, which gives you 480 credits. But the main thing is that in this video we saw how to use Claude Opus 4.8 for totally free, and we use this way through Verdent AI. So simply follow all the steps, and you can use this in VSCode as well or through the exe software as well. So both the things that I showed you. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment if you like this AI agent or not.